In this video, we're going to go ahead and download Java 9 JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. So obviously, we go to Google and just type in download Java 9, and you should see this first link here. Now, this first link here links to Oracle. Oracle is indeed the company that owns Java. Obviously, they would be the ones who would have everything we need in order for us to be able to install, download, and install the JDK, Java 9. Okay, let's click on this first link here. It should take us to this page here. Say Java AC Development Kit 9 downloads. You can go ahead and read on your own time. Okay, but essentially what we're very interested in here is to accept the license first so that we are able to install their JDK. Of course, you will look at your machine or your operating system. So if you're on Linux, of course, you will download this Linux at the top here. If you're on Mac, which is my case, I'm going to download this one. If you're on Windows, you take this one. I'm going to go ahead and get the Mac OS one here, download. Take a few seconds. And you can see at the bottom here, it's downloaded. It might take a few seconds to finish it all up. So this file contains the Java development, which means it has all of the libraries that we need to run Java 9. All right, so it has downloaded everything. I'm going to go ahead and double click. Okay, and my installer should start verifying, and there we go. I'm going to go ahead and double click on the package here so I can start the installation. Okay, it's pretty easy here. I'm going to say continue, say install. Of course, I have to put my credentials here, and it should start installing. And there we go. So install succeeded. And next steps here where you can click and it takes you to where to get more information about the new JDK. Okay, very nice. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and say close. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to just move to trash the package that was downloaded. So now that I have that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and open IntelliJ just to make sure that I'm able to create a project using Java 9. Okay, I'm going to go say IntelliJ. That's the IDE that I'm going to use. If you're using Eclipse, there will be different things that you will need to do. But in this case here, we're going to be using IntelliJ. All right, there we go. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and say create new project. And there we go. So at the top here, I have the option to create different types of projects. So I'm going to just go to Java at the top here. And my SDK now is pointing to my 1.8, which is Java 8. Okay. I have two versions, so I'm going to have to go ahead to say new. It's going to open where I have Java 9 installed. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on Java 9, say contents, and say home, and say open, and there we go. Notice now I have options to either go Java 9 or Java 8. Okay, so in this case, I want to be able to use Java 9 for this project. So next, I'm going to just go ahead and say next. I'm going to make this a command line app. Of course, I just want to make sure that I'm able to create a hello world. Just to make sure things are actually working. Say next. I'm going to call this hello Java 9. I'm going to finish. So now I have here my Java 9 project. And you can see if you open libraries, it says 9, which means indeed we're pointing to our Java 9. Okay, very nice. So let's go ahead and check things out here. So let's go ahead and wait for a second here until all of this indexing is done. Because what's happening is all of the libraries are actually being configured with our IDE here, with our IntelliJ. So that way we are able to run our code smoothly and write and run our code smoothly here. So give it a few seconds until everything is done. Okay, let me go ahead. I think everything is done. I'm going to say system, like that. In fact, I could probably use S out for short, given system out. I'm going to say hello Java 9. All right, the moment of truth, I'm going to go ahead and say run. And I should see if all goes well at the bottom here. Our console, it should say hello Java 9. And look at that. Hello Java 9. And it even tells us that we are indeed using JDK 9. Very nice. All right. It may not seem like a huge deal, but at least we know that we are now using Java 9 JDK. Very cool. So in the next video, we will start exploring what's new in Java 9. All the new features and all of that we are all excited about as Java developers. Okay. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.